Hello. So, I'm just waiting for Maxine. Magkikita kami ngayon sa Trinoma since I'm gonna help her out with her errands. So yeah, dito na ako sa Trinoma. So, nandito na siya. So, papasok tayo ngayon sa IKEA. Since apparently, nandito yung gusto niyang bilhin. Asan na siya? Nandito na siya. Where is she? Hindi ko siya mahanap. Hinahanap kita. Hmm? Oh, you're wearing the same. You thought I was gonna wear your sweater.
What is sweater? Ah, blue sweater.
Mhm.
Did I pick up my na or let's eat.
We can eat one.
Okay.
Bakit ka na ba kalaki yun?
I don't know. It's a wrap eh.
Sige.
You're so funny.
What are you craving for?
I want rice.
Okay.
I want something.
Gusto mo mag-recipe?
Sabi ko.
Okay.
Sabi na eh. Sabi
What?
mo yun eh.
Ayaw mo ba din?
Okay lang, papa. You wanna eat there?
Or is there something, someplace na mas okay pa din?
You wash my hands first.
Yung lahat.
Why are you wearing the same thing?
Kaya nga, I'm kind of nervous. Kasi parang tuloy-tuloy na ata tayong same lang suot. Without us planning it. Tapos yun, ang ganda ko yun. You know, look how stable it is.
I think it's better if you have like...
Diba?
It's
It's
just so
stable.
cool, yeah.
Na-mention mo dati that you wanted to do this. Hindi ko kasi na-pick up to dati.
It's better if it has a stick. You wanna eat talaga sa ano ba? Recipes?
We're here at...
El Pollo Loco. It's his first time eating here.
We rarely go to these places.
Kasi hindi naman siya nagtatry ng anything unless kasama ko.
Yeah.
Tapos manood kaming movie after.
Walang maganda nag-check out.
Avatar? You don't like Avatar? Hindi yung ano air blender.
Bender. Hindi ko pa napapanood yung first eh.
Na kailangan. It's a different story. Do you wanna watch yung Tagalog?
May Jericho Rosales.
Parang I don't wanna watch. Parang I wanna play. It's not good. Ano ba?
I'll be fixing it here. Yeah, what is it?
Look at that.
So ito yung food namin.
This is the chicken tostada combo.
I have the chicken taco combo with quesadilla.
Let's eat.
Thank you.
Thank you for the food, mommy.
Wow.
Switch.
Mabait na spoon mo. Masarap yan.
It's okay. It's very salty.
I love it.
You wanna eat our entree? Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, buddy. I love you.
I love you. Hell yeah. This is gonna be this.
Nasisige pa ako talaga.
I need space. Yummy, no?
Yeah.
The chicken itself. Siyempre, yun yung pangalan niya eh. El Pollo.
Does that mean chicken?
Pollo means chicken. You learn something new every day. What's that? Is it gonna, is that a time bomb? You look like a hot dog. Did you park so layo?
No, dun lang.
Why?
Ay, what? Hindi deliver yung mga ilan. Whew! Sakto siya. no?
Good job, good job.
Nandito yung stick. Oh.
Really? We're gonna Di pa rin kami umaalis because Baba still can't choose a song.
Babala mo ba? Nandito yung singer ng Manila Grey.
Oh, yung idol mo.
Hmm.
Bakit di ka sumama? Is it because kasama mo ko? Is it because gumawa niya tayo ng piano?
Really want to be with you. Outcast, but I was never cast out.
nahihiya pa ako sumayaw in front of you eh. Ang move ko lang lagi sa'yo ganito.
Ngayon yung gumagano.
He's feeling emotional right now.
Thank you. May araw pa tayo. Dapat type lang. Na, tumingin siya.
Hoy, hindi!
Kitang-kita.
Baba!
Kitang-kita. Pumigay pa. Uy, yeah.
Better! I got a new rat. Ilan natin? Birthday naman niya eh.
Cucumber lemonade. Ay, sino ano ba to?
Hindi.
Ano ba to?
Iba yan. Kumbaga, Gcash mo muna, then I'll pay you cash later.
Hindi na ba? Sagot ko. Si Chris, oh.
Saan?
Ayan.
Pack up na kayo?
Diyos ko.
Ito?
Hindi makita yung force ko. Para bang...
Uwi na si Papa.
Wow, look at the view, ho. She's the view.
She?
You're the view. But look at our view. Grabe. Gusto nyo makita yung baba?
Oh my God. Gaganon mo? I-tighten mo ah.
Oh, shit. Takot, baba, takot. Swerte, oh. Swerte.
Nakabahan ka nga, legit.
Oh, I'm afraid of heights.
I know. Pero yun, kaya mo tignan. Like, ayun ah.
Oh, Henry,
Ako
si...
din. Pero yung pag gaganon ako mukha.
Pag ganun na. Ako yung ganito, eh, oh.
The NX or...
Yes, the NLEX.
San Lazaro?
San Lazaro.
Mm-hmm.
Traffic everywhere.
Saan?
I just feel like it.
Hindi ko 180 pesos lang.
Ay, te. Ang kala mo dyan. Grabe. Thank you po, kuya. Hi, guys! So, ayoko na.